Hi, welcome to NPA Teaching. I hope you understood the addition of matrices in the last video. In this video, I am going to discuss the subtraction of matrices. Matrix subtraction is the operation of deducting two matrices by subtracting the corresponding entries together. In the similar way of addition of matrix, the subtraction of two matrices say A minus B, which require that the matrices must be equal dimension and order. That is, they must have same number of rows and columns. Each elements of one matrix is then subtracted from the corresponding elements of the other matrix. Let us consider the matrix A is equal to A11, A12, A21, A22, which is the 2 into 2 order matrix, and matrix B is equal to B11, B12, B21, B22, which is also 2 into 2 order matrix. Now how to find A minus B? See here, the first element of matrix B, B11, should be subtracted from the first element of matrix A, A11. The second element of matrix B, B12, should be subtracted from the second element of matrix A, A12. Similarly, the other elements can also find subtracting the elements of matrix B from matrix A. Thus, we get 2 into 2 matrix A minus B, which is equal to A11 minus B11, A12 minus B12, A21 minus B21, A22 minus B22. Let us consider the first example. Matrix A is equal to 5, 4, 3, 2 and matrix B is equal to 2, 1, 8, 5, which are the 2 into 2 matrix, and we want to find out A minus B. So in this case, the first element of matrix B, that is 2, is subtracted from the first element of matrix A, 5. So 5 minus 2, which is equal to 3. Similarly, the second element of matrix B, that is 1, is subtracted from the second element of matrix A. So we will get 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. Similarly, other elements can also find subtracting the elements of matrix B from matrix A. Thus, we get a new 2 into 2 order matrix A minus B, which is equal to 3, 3 minus 5 minus 3. Consider the second example of 3 into 3 order matrix. Matrix A is equal to 8, 9, 7, 3, 6, 2, 4, 5, 10. Matrix B is equal to 1, 3, 6, 5, 2, 4, 7, 9, 2. This is a 3 into 3 order matrix. In the same way what we did in the previous example of 2 into 2 matrix, the first element of matrix B should be subtracted from the first element of matrix A. The second element of matrix B should be subtracted from the second element of matrix A. Similarly, other elements can also find subtracting the elements of matrix B from matrix A. Thus, we get a 3 into 3 matrix A minus B, which is equal to 7, 6, 1, minus 2, 4, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and 8. Consider the third example where we have two matrices and the first matrix is 2 into 2 order, that is matrix A is equal to 3, 4, 1, 2, and the second matrix B is equal to 1, 3, 6, 5, 2, 4, 7, 9, 2, which is order of 3 into 3. Now we want to find out A minus B. Do you think is it possible to find out the A minus B here? No. A minus B is not defined since the order of matrix A is not equal to the order of matrix B. Therefore, we are unable to subtract these matrices. I hope you understood the addition and subtraction of two matrices. For the same, it is required that both matrices are the same order. If the order of matrices is different, then it is unable to add and subtract the matrices. If you are not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe to get updated video by clicking subscribe button. I wish you all the best and see you in the next video. Thank you.